Before we build a robot, we need a robot recipe. A class is like a blueprint. It tells Python what future robots should look like. No robot exists yet, only the instructions. The blueprint is ready. Now, let's press the robot making button. Poof! One robot appears. This real robot is called an object. Welcome to the world, Robot 1. Our robot needs a name. Otherwise, everyone will just yell, "Hey, robot!" That's confusing. So, we give it a name tag. This robot is named Byte. Now, Byte knows who Byte is. A robot that never talks is kind of boring. So, let's teach Byte how to say hello. When we call the method, the robot opens its mouth and proudly introduces itself. What a polite robot. 1 blueprint. 3 robots. That's a great deal. Meet Byte, Bolt, and Zip. They all came from the same class. But each robot has its own name. It's like robot siblings. Byte has decided his old name isn't cool enough. So, he changes it. Goodbye, Byte. Hello, Megabyte. Even robots enjoy rebranding. Robots need energy, just like humans need snacks. When Byte works, he uses some battery power. Work harder, battery gets lower. Maybe someone should charge this robot. This robot wanted superpowers. But writing everything again is too much work. So Flying Robot borrows skills from Robot. Now it can say hello and zoom through the sky. That's inheritance. Why reinvent the robot? Meet Bobo, the robot pet. Bobo loves playing. Bobo loves resting. Honestly, Bobo has a pretty easy life. When Bobo plays, happiness goes up. When Bobo rests, happiness also goes up. Bobo has discovered the secret to happiness. Classes help us create game characters that remember how they feel.